how to fix Valorant black screen problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do, just right click on Valorant, go to properties, and now once you're here, click compatibility, and here we'll find Valorant compatibility settings, then click change settings for all users. And now you will find it like that. Just turn on those options, those three options: disable full screen, administrator, and compatibility mode, and then select here Windows 8 and click apply and OK and OK again. And after that, type here device manager. Now just update your driver, go to display adapters, right click on your GPU, click update, and then search automatically for updates, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.